Hi guys, welcome to my channel RoboMinati, and today we are going to talk about the path of all AI too is what I'm gonna say. So China has recently launched its first fully autonomous AI tool, that is Manus AI. So here, if you can see, first thing, I'm a big ChatGPT fan. I'm using it a year or two now. So I have asked GPT to create an invoices for me. And GPT actually did created an invoices for me, which has like different invoices. And if I can just show, it's a very simple, basic invoices, and that's fine, at least just to test this one. And then I have asked Manus, can you get me the company name, total due amount, and the invoices number, and write the data into the Excel file. Okay, so what Manus did is like, I haven't trained Manus on any of my model or anything, just pure files, and read the files, extract the data, and give it to me. So it did read the file, extracted the data. I do not have any Python installed in my system. I do not have any, for example, Adobe Reader. I don't have any software installed in my system. It all happened into the managed servers. They do have servers, and then they can execute one single task into multiple servers. How many computers I can just tell, like, for example, if I can, I have like 100 invoices, run those in 100 invoices into 100 systems and give me the results in just like one shot. Manus can do that. So here is the one. And then it did create it and did all this stuff. I'm not going to go through that. And then it did extracted the data. And as suggested, give me the Excel file, which is this one. I can actually see that. And then it has all the details over here. This is the very basic, example which I have tried. Let's try something together. Okay. So I'm going to ask very basic. Those who are in the field of automation, they can relate this one. So can you automate RPA challenge .com. I am the Excel file, keep the data and fill the data into the fields. Okay, let's see. So, a very basic prompt. It's not even that. Okay, I can give actually challenge.com. I do have already the file, Excel file here. Let's see what Manus can do to this one. So it's analyzing, it's thinking. So if you guys can see over here, it's thinking right now. AI is getting crazy every day. And I think it's such an amazing period right now going on because learning all these tools, like, and just witnessing the capability, it's amazing. Yeah. So if you see a processing record 1 of 10, 2 of 10, 3 of 10, waiting for the final results, I think it did process in the back end. And I think at the final result, we'll get the screenshot once that is done. Hey, it's done. So if I can just see here, whoa, this is the end result for this output. So those who know about RPA challenge, they can say that, yeah, this is right. And I haven't done anything, just the single prompt, and voila, it worked. There's one more thing which I wanted to try. I don't know. I, I think that is even true or something like that. I actually did one more thing. I don't know if I can just show you my previous. Yeah. If you guys can see, I have literally asked this guy to create a newsletter for me on AI. It went to 10 different websites, did research on each and every website and try to get me the data. So I'm going to do a new session and can you create? It's a very, yeah, free stuff. Ah, damn. Whoa. You have reached maximum daily schedule limit during the beta. Please try again tomorrow. Contact to increase your quota. These things I don't like whenever I'm trying anything new. But anyhow, So far, whatsoever I have researched and searched about Manus, it's really amazing, and the capabilities are amazing. I would suggest you guys to go ahead and at least try. It's very easy. Go to the website and just try. Let me log out if I can actually log out. So if you guys can go to this website and then just see the introduction, it's really worth watching it. You can see the use cases which you can actually work. It has like all research, life, data, educations, productivity, and whatsoever it is. You can explore more use cases like that. Let Manus try my task. It's really amazing. Go to this website, watch this video, try some use cases, make your account, and then do it by yourself and see the magic. Thanks for watching.